A recent poll released earlier this week shows that the majority of Americans believe that military action should not be the top choice in solving the DPRK nuclear issue. The CBS News poll indicates that nearly 6 in 10 Americans say the U.S. should not threaten the DPRK with military action, while 33% say that military threats should be issued towards the DPRK. Meanwhile, opinions differ largely by political party. The poll found that 82% of Democrats believe the U.S. should not use military force with the DPRK, while 63% of Republican supporters said the U.S. should. However, if Washington fails in its efforts to solve the nuclear issue diplomatically, 58% of Americans say that they would approve of military action against Pyongyang.